I'd like to welcome you to the 21st edition of the Future Everything Festival.
This year's theme is Less and More, Rethinking Resources.
Future Everything is exploring everything around resource, about time, technology, environment, climate, earth, everything, and seeing what can we do to maximise our resources.
We as people dictate this. There is no magical kind of technology that does something, that creates something. We use technology to create our future, and having a conversation around, well, what does that future look like? What could it look like? And doing it from an angle where we are bringing in thought leaders and looking at challenges that the world's got, I think it's very exciting and it's very relevant.
What I really come for is to kind of take the temperature of the discourse surrounding a sequence of topics.
Future Everything is a wonderful place to meet incredible people. I love the fact it doesn't seem to differentiate art and science too much. The science is beautiful and the art is smart, and that makes it a great place to be.
In the festival this year, we've got some really stunning art and design projects. Some of them, like Project Uko, like Smoke Signals, have come out of research and development projects we've been working on for years.
Yeah, for me it's always fascinating to work with scientists and try and distill a really elegant, meaningful way of displaying a very complex data set, and also help them sharpen the message, like how they communicate complex facts. And I think Project Uko is a great example of a successful collaboration across disciplines.
How are you going to communicate a new idea to millions of people? Art is the great transporter, whether it's science, whether it's religion.
New artistic perspectives, new playful perspectives are ways to remind us that actually the world is huge and broad, and there are many more spaces within which we could be building better futures.
It's only through experience that you learn, and if we want our leaders to learn, we have to give them experiences. Well, so you can't always have them in the real world, but you can create them through art.
Future Everything is all about coming together to discover ideas, spark imagination, and then take them away to make change in the world.
Future Everything seems to take to heart the idea that none of this around us would be here without the imagination. We have to imagine the world that we want to create before we create it.